Let's talk about how Builder uses branches and pull requests to keep your work organized and safe. If you're not a developer, don't worry. We'll explain these concepts without getting too technical. And if you are tech-savvy, you'll recognize these as the standard Git workflows your team already uses. To better understand how Builder's projects work, it helps to be aware of Git, the version control system that tracks changes to your application's code over time, and lets multiple people work on it safely without breaking production. Git tracks only what changed, capturing the specific differences, not copying entire files. This is how teams can collaborate. The system knows exactly what each person modified and can intelligently combine those changes. Builder connects to your application's Git host, where your code is stored, and we support every major enterprise platform. This means it integrates seamlessly with your development team's existing workflows. So let's start with the big picture. Project in Builder represents a connection to one of your Git repositories, your entire application's code. Within that repository, you work on branches. A branch is your private workspace where you can make changes without affecting what others see or work on. When you click the New Branch button, you're creating a Git branch that captures your app exactly as it exists in that moment, a snapshot of its current state. While you're working, you won't automatically pick up updates other people are making on the main version. This isolation gives you space to focus on your task. If you do need to bring in recent changes from the main branch, you can, but that's an advanced topic we'll cover later. When you're ready to share your work, you click Send PR to create a pull request. A pull request, or PR as we've shortened it, is how you submit your changes for review. This asks your dev team to merge or combine your branch's changes back into the main branch, following your team's standard review workflow. You can think of it as saying, "I've made these updates, can somebody check them before they go live?" For now, just know that this is how your work connects back to your team's development process. Here's the happy path for how most teams use Builder. Open your project. Click New Branch to start your specific task or feature. Use Builder's AI and visual editor to update your application on that branch. Check your work and share previews with teammates for feedback. Click Send PR to create a pull request. And lastly, your team either merges your changes back into the main branch, or you close the branch if that idea wasn't quite ready. When your pull request gets merged, meaning your changes get combined with the main codebase, Builder automatically deletes that branch. This is standard version control practice. You don't need those temporary branches cluttering things once the work is done. One quick best practice: work in small chunks and submit pull requests promptly. Remember, your branch is a snapshot. The longer you work on it, the more the main version might change. If someone else modifies the same parts of the app that you're working on, it becomes harder to combine those overlapping changes later. Make your changes, test, send the PR, and move on to the next task. So let's recap. A project in Builder connects to your Git repository. When you create a branch in that project, you're creating a real Git branch where you can work safely in your own workspace. When you're ready, you submit a pull request for review. This connects Builder to your team's existing development workflows without requiring you to learn Git commands. Thanks for watching, and happy building!